Niscot Agnel Radio.
Hello listeners, welcome to Inner Voice Radio. I am Vanshita
And I am Arpit.
and we welcome you in today's program. It is extra special because we are celebrating World Radio Day, a day dedicated to power of voice, stories, music and connection.
Ankit, what are your thoughts about radio?
Arpit, imagine a world without radio. No morning voices, no music on the road, no breaking news. When it matters most, sounds quite right. सुजीत, तुम्हारे क्या विचार हैं इस पे?
रेडियो सिर्फ आवाज नहीं है, यह लंबी यात्रा में एक दोस्त है और कभी कभी सुबह हम पहली आवाज यही सुनते हैं।
रितिका, क्या आप बताएंगी कि रेडियो की क्या इम्पोर्टेंस है?
वंशिता, मैं आपको बताना चाहूंगी, सोशल मीडिया और स्ट्रीमिंग के इस डिजिटल जमाने में भी रेडियो लाखों लोगों तक पहुंच रहा है और ये दूरी और भाषा की बाधाओं को तोड़ रहा है।
Did you know that the World Radio Day is celebrated every year on February 13th? It was proclaimed by the UNESCO to recognize as a powerful medium for education, freedom of expression and social change.
म्यूजिक और न्यूज से लेकर स्टोरी टेलिंग और खेल कूद तक रेडियो हमें जानकारी देता है, एंटरटेन करता है और कनेक्टेड रखता है।
Radio reaches over half of the world's population. It's affordable, portable, and works even in remote areas without internet access. Did you know the first radio broadcast happened in the early 1990s? And since then, radio has evolved from big wooden boxes to pocket-sized devices and even mobile apps.
Ritika, radio is still important because it is accessible. Not everyone has smartphones or internet, but many people have the access to a radio.
It's also interactive. Call-ins, song request, shout out. Radio brings people together.
And let's not forget community radio station that highlight local voices, culture and story that might not to be heard otherwise.
As we celebrate World Radio Day, let's remember the power of voice, communication and connection.
Exactly, radio gives a voice to communicate, promote freedom of expression, and connects culture across borders.
इस खास वर्ल्ड रेडियो डे प्रोग्राम के आखिर में हमें यह याद दिलाया जाता है कि रेडियो सिर्फ आवाज़ से कहीं ज़्यादा है। यह कम्युनिटी है, यह कनेक्शन है और यह सबकी आवाज़ है।
Let's continue to support, protect and cherish radio as a powerful tool for dialogue, development and peace. Thank you for tuning in and being part of this celebration. Happy World Radio Day. Keep listening, keep sharing and keep the radio spirit alive.
Happy World Radio Day.